Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Club, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hello, everyone. It's wonderful to be here again today.
Yes, it's great to see you, Paul. How are you today?
I'm very good, thank you. I had a big breakfast this morning.
A big breakfast? That sounds nice. What did you eat?
I had eggs, toast, and a cup of coffee. It gave me lots of energy for today's episode.
Perfect. You need energy for our topic today. English for work.
Oh, yes, that's a great topic. Everyone needs English for work these days.
That's true. English can help you get a job, talk to your boss, or even meet new clients.
Yes, and maybe get a better job, too.
Exactly. But first, before we start, let's say hello to our listeners.
Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining us again today.
If you like learning with us, please click the like button and subscribe to English Club.
And don't forget to share this podcast with your friends who want to improve their English for work.
Perfect. Now, Paul, let's start. Before you have a job, you need to get one, right?
Right, you need to go to an interview.
Yes, an interview is when you meet your future boss and answer questions.
Oh, interviews can be scary. I always feel nervous.
That's normal, but today we'll make it easier.
Great, I like easy. So what's the first tip?
Tip number 1, prepare before the interview.
Prepare? What does that mean?
It means practice. Think about what you want to say. Practice answering questions like, tell me about yourself.
Ah, yes, like, I'm Paul, I work hard, and I love learning new things.
Exactly. That's a great answer.
Okay, what's tip number 2?
Tip number 2, smile and be confident.
Smile and be confident? That's easy. I like smiling.
Me too. When you smile, you look friendly and positive. Employers like that.
That's good to know. And what's tip number 3?
Tip number 3, ask questions.
Ask questions? Like what?
For example, you can ask, what is a typical day like in this job? Or what kind of person are you looking for?
Oh, nice. It shows you're interested.
Exactly. And after the interview, you can say, thank you for your time.
That's polite and professional.
Yes, politeness always helps.
Emily, can I ask you something?
Of course, Paul. What is it?
What if someone asks me, what is your biggest weakness?
Ooh, that's a tricky question. Many people get nervous about that one.
Me too. I never know what to say.
Well, here's a secret. You should be honest, but also positive.
Honest but positive. How does that work?
For example, you can say, I sometimes work too slowly because I want everything to be perfect.
Oh, so you tell them a weakness, but it sounds like you care about your work?
Exactly. Or you can say, I'm still learning about technology, but I take online courses to improve.
That's clever. You show that you're always trying to get better.
Yes, employers love people who want to learn and grow.
Wow, I'm learning so much today.
Me too, Paul. Now let's talk about something else important.
What's that?
Your first day at work.
Oh, yes. The first day can be exciting, but also scary.
That's true. So let's give our listeners some tips for their first day.
Great idea. What's the first tip?
Tip number 1, arrive early.
Arrive early? How early?
Maybe 10 or 15 minutes before your start time.
Why is that important?
Because it shows you're responsible and excited about the job. Plus, you won't feel rushed.
That makes sense. I always feel stressed when I'm late.
Me too. So arriving early helps you feel calm and ready.
Okay, what's tip number 2?
Tip number 2, introduce yourself to everyone.
You mean say hello to your new coworkers?
Yes. You can say, hi, I'm Paul. Nice to meet you. I'm new here.
That's simple and friendly.
Exactly. And people will remember you as polite and friendly.
I like that. What about tip number 3?
Tip number 3, ask questions when you don't understand something.
Really? Is it okay to ask questions on your first day?
Of course, it's better to ask than to make a mistake.
That's true. What kind of questions can I ask?
You can ask, where's the bathroom? Or what time is lunch? Or can you show me how to use this machine?
Those are all good questions.
Yes, and your coworkers will be happy to help you.
Emily, can I tell you about my first day at work?
Yes, please. I'd love to hear your story.
Okay, so it was many years ago. I was very young and very nervous.
What happened?
Well, I arrived early, just like you said, but I was so nervous that I forgot my boss's name.
Oh no, what did you do?
I asked another coworker, "Excuse me, what's our boss's name again?"
That was smart. You asked for help.
Yes, and the coworker was very nice. She told me the name and didn't laugh at me.
See? People understand when you're new. They want to help you.
That's true. And after that, my first day went much better.
I'm glad to hear that. Now let's talk about common phrases you can use at work.
Oh, I love learning phrases. What's the first one?
The first phrase is, can you help me with this?
That's useful. When do I use it?
You use it when you need help with a task or project.
For example, can you help me with this report?
Perfect. That's exactly right.
What's the second phrase?
The second phrase is, I'll get back to you.
I'll get back to you. What does that mean?
It means you'll give someone an answer later, not right now.
Oh, like if someone asks, can you finish this by Friday, and you're not sure, you can say, I'll get back to you.
Exactly. It's a polite way to say you need time to think or check your schedule.
That's very useful. What's the third phrase?
The third phrase is, let me know if you need anything.
Oh, I like that one. It sounds helpful and friendly.
Yes, you can use it with your coworkers or your boss.
For example, after I finish helping someone, I can say, let me know if you need anything else.
Perfect, Paul. You're getting really good at this.
Thank you, Emily. What about phone calls? I'm always nervous when I answer the phone at work.
That's a great question. Phone calls can be tricky, but they're easier when you know what to say.
So what should I say?
When you answer the phone, you can say, good morning. This is Paul speaking. How can I help you?
Good morning. This is Paul speaking. How can I help you? That sounds professional.
Yes. And if you need to transfer the call to someone else, you can say, one moment, please. I'll transfer you.
What if the person they want to talk to is not there?
You can say, I'm sorry, he's not available right now. Can I take a message?
Can I take a message? That's polite and helpful.
Exactly. And don't forget to write down the message.
Good tip. I always forget to write things down.
Me too sometimes. That's why it's important to keep a notebook on your desk.
Emily, we've covered so much today. Job interviews, the first day, useful phrases, and phone calls.
Yes, we have. I hope our listeners feel more confident about using English at work now.
Me too. And remember, everyone makes mistakes. That's how we learn.
That's right, Paul. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Your coworkers will understand.
And if you keep practicing, your English will get better and better every day.
Absolutely. Before we finish, let's do a quick review of everything we talked about today.
Good idea. First, we talked about job interviews.
Yes, and we gave 3 tips. Prepare before the interview, smile and be confident, and ask questions.
Then we talked about your first day at work.
Right. We said to arrive early, introduce yourself to everyone, and don't be afraid to ask questions.
After that, we learned some useful phrases for work.
Yes, like, can you help me with this? I'll get back to you, and let me know if you need anything.
And finally, we talked about answering phone calls at work.
That's right. Remember to speak clearly and politely on the phone.
Wow, we really covered everything today.
We did, and I hope everyone listening feels ready to use English at work.
Don't forget to practice these tips at home, everyone.
Yes, practice makes perfect. And if you enjoyed today's episode, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends.
We love hearing from our listeners, so leave a comment and tell us what topics you want to learn about next.
Thank you so much for joining us today on English Club.
Remember, learning English is easy and fun.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone. Good luck with your English for work.
Goodbye.